the squishy collection. If you guys didn't, well, actually, part 1 for 46 subscribers. This video is not trying to brag. I hope you guys do not think that I'm trying to brag. I know that's not my intention when I make these videos. When I make videos, they're all for good causes. They're all for you guys to enjoy, for you guys to watch. I'm watching My Little Pony right now. I know I'm a 9-year-old. I know that's such a cheesy thing, but I'm watching it because I got really hurt, and I don't know. I'm just watching it. So, yeah, and it's really loud. So turn up your volume, please. Oh, sorry. So turn up your volume, please, because I cannot figure out how to turn My Little Pony down. So, yeah. Okay. So this is part 1. I probably might not make a part 2 because I don't know. I don't really know. It's too hard. It's just too hard. I don't really know. So let's get started. Here, I gotta set up my camera over here because I can put the camera like this. I can see it. Sorry, guys. This isn't gonna work very well. Oh gosh. You know what, guys? Nothing's gonna work, so I'm gonna move back to where I was. Hope that. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, guys. So, let's get started. Okay, so I have a better idea. Okay, how about we just start, because I'm sick of trying to find a place. I hope you guys can see. I hope it's good enough. But you know what? Fine, I'll just do this. Okay, I'm sick of this. 2 minutes, let's do this. Okay, first up is my common squishies. So, yeah, how about we just get started? Most of my squishies are common. I mean, like, the really, really common ones. So, I have, like, this bread roll thing. I don't really know what this bread roll thing is. Hold up 1 minute. So this is the squishy. It's pretty squishy, I mean, yeah. And it's actually kind of surprising. I kind of like the face. It's like, okay. Next is this cracker. So yeah. Please like, subscribe, and post notification and don't try every new post. Yeah, you guys know the rules. I just don't really feel like saying that because I already spend too much time trying to find where I'm going to film this. This.
Did I hear someone say my name? Let me just stop. I say what an honor to play a role in such a momentous occasion.
Also, I have this Eat Me cookie. Yeah. And then I have this waffle. This, I don't really know what it is, like a cookie or a cracker with a bite out of it. But yeah, and next is another Eat Me cookie. It's just green and it doesn't have any filling, or maybe it's just vanilla. I don't really know because this one has chocolate filling. Also, I have this little dog squishy thing. this egg. It's kind of weird. I don't know why I have this. This other little dog.
Perfect. If we were celebrating a 6-year-old's birthday.
Also, I have this crush ball. This tennis ball, crush ball, whatever.
Rest, my sister. As always, I will not.
I have part of a bunny, part of a squishy. I don't know why.
Cadence is the absolute worst ride to be.
Also, I have this super duper really cute dog. This is like my favorite dog out of the 3 dogs that I have. So that's it, I think. Oh yeah, no. And my friend gave this one to me. That's it for the dogs I met. I got this one for like 50 cents and it actually came like that with no foot. And I just put it in here because I don't really know what brand it's from. But it's like this macaron with like legs and feet. Kind of odd, but it only has 1 foot now because...
Oh, she would probably run spare about you. No, she was just being fake and totally insincere.
Squishy this
She
is.
did raise her voice.
It's not that squishy.
Universal. See, rude. But he was someone really nice.
And then I also have this like
Thank you.
crying
I had to have noticed how big the screen is.
jumbo bun. This like Olaf squeeze toy thing that I don't know why. I put my squeeze toys with them.
I'm too busy prepping for my Sonic Rainbow to pay much attention.
Sorry guys, I'm watching this at the same time. I also have this fish or coyote thing.
About to get married. I'm sure any negative behavior she might be displaying is simply the result of nerves. And I'm sure it's the result
Also
of
this
nerves.
Hello
Oh,
Kitty
doesn't deserve to even know shining armor lets
bun.
her. Think maybe you're being just a
Um,
tiny bit
I have this jelly squishy thing. I don't know. It's not the best, but
being possessive. And I am not taking
and I have this.
You're all just too caught up with your wedding planning to notice that maybe there shouldn't even be a
This football squishy, it's not a crush ball, it's like a football squishy. I don't know why I have it in this category then, but whatever. This panda bun, my favorite panda bun actually. Well, actually, no, it's not. This one. The reason why I also am not making like that many squishies in this one part, because I have some at my grandma's house. Kayla's and Maddie's channel will be linked in the description.
Can I speak to you for a moment, dear?
This like quite squeezy. I hate these. This is not polarizing. It said super polarizing. I wanted to try it out. It's not polarizing at all, and like it hurts my hand every time I squish it. Ow! I got an injury at the pool today. I'm joking. I didn't get an injury, but I did get hurt at the pool. I fell into the pool. I'm okay, guys. This is a part of it. Football.
Are you getting another one of your headaches?
Yeah, so it's this football, and it's like ripped up and like a mess. Yeah.
She isn't just unpleasant and rude. She's downright evil.
Also have this like ball squishy with like a crab face on it. It doesn't make any real sense.
Let her
This bubble donut. Also this weird homemade squishy.
Shining armor's in real trouble. You have to help her. Dresses. What are you? Can you believe it? We're gonna be Princess Leonora Cadenza's new bridesmaids. New bridesmaids? What happened to her old bridesmaids? She didn't say, but she did tell us that she loved to refilling. Seeing as we've been working
Also this
so hard,
cracker thing.
did you had your doubts about her?
Also this weird like crazy face bun. I don't know.
Doesn't seem all that aerodynamic.
Also there's part of a squishy too.
So excited.
Also this like soda can squishy pop. It's just pop. It's rainbow. Wait. Oh, okay.
Perfect, girls. No need to rush.
That one.
Then, of course, Cadence manager.
This one. This one actually is one of my favorites because I don't know, I just like it.
I'll say it.
Oh yeah, and I also have this squishy. It's not really common. I just wanted to show you guys it before this video is over. And I also have this crab. So yeah, that's it for this video, but I'll make a part 2 today actually.